When you are applying for freelance job, you should also look for the client. How is the client, whether he is experienced, or what ratings other freelancers has given to that client. So the problem is how to select the right client while applying on your online jobs. Okay, now why care about clients? Now the main thing is that clients are the lifeline of your freelance business and your freelance career. Even if they are in a bad mood and they give you a bad rating, they can ruin your online portfolio or profile with bad ratings, and you will be jobless in no time. The third point is that you can form very long-term relationships with your clients. So even 2 or 3 great clients can give you more than enough jobs, and you don't need to search for jobs anytime soon. Okay, now the takeaways are that you need to form relationships with good clients. If they are very good paying clients, send them gifts twice a year or maybe once a year on a Christmas or any Eid days or something like that. Okay, then you can also email them, keep them in contact, email them on every special occasion, Eid day, Christmas day. Okay, create a card for them and send them over. Okay, coming to the point, which clients you need to avoid while applying for freelance jobs. Now number one is the category of clients which are non-technical clients. Okay, mostly from sales or marketing backgrounds. You need to avoid them. Second category is the client who is basically creating a fairy project. I call it fairy projects or fairy clients. They don't know what they are doing. They have very high imagination. Okay, I want a website that can animate this and that can play video like this. There is a something like this. Okay, then they want features that are almost maybe non-realistic. Okay, so they have requirements of a project that are non-realistic. Okay, now the third type of clients you need to avoid are the clients with a very bad reputation, or which get very angry, or they have anger issues, that they have very harsh comments from other freelancers. Okay, bad reviews about them. Now the main takeaways from this section is that sales people or marketing people have a tendency to negotiate, and they are going to give you a very good negotiation. Okay, so if your freelance rate is like $40, they are going to get you and negotiate you as long as it is going to be half of that rate. Okay, so keep in mind that they are going to really push you down towards the last limit of your hourly rate. Okay, now the second thing is that you need to sign a proposal, a document containing all the things you are going to accomplish for that client. Try to sign them with your fairy project clients or the bad clients or non-technical clients, so they know that what you are going to accomplish for them. Now there are times when you have clients from heaven. They are really great clients. They are good paying. They give you like 1.5 time or sometime double the rate of other clients. Okay, now these clients basically fall in the category of project managers, design directors, people who really value your skills, or they have some taste of your skill. They know what the design field is and what softwares and how it is designed. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to keep good relations with those kind of clients. They are really like rare gems, and you are not going to lose them at any cost. Okay, now the second type of clients from heaven are the clients who have a very good hiring experience. Okay, so if they have hired like 100 designers, they know you are the best one, or you fall in that category, or you fall in expert category. They will pay you according to your experience and your skill set. Now few types of the clients, I'm going to give you few more types of the clients you should be aware of. Number one is that the clients who pays too late. Okay, you ask them you need a payment, and they are going to forget it, and they are not going to even reply your email. Okay, so they are really stubborn. They are really late payers, or sometimes they don't even remember that they had a pending payment towards you. Second are clients who are very serious, who just talk about work and nothing else. No smile, no extra words, no extra emails, nothing else. Okay, then the third type of clients are very stubborn clients, and they want everything according to their will and their likeness. Okay, so they want you to design a website, and they are going to pinpoint every inch, every small pixel that they want it like that. Okay, they don't care about performance or anything, they just need their product as they want. Okay, there are another type of clients that are basically going to promise you that we have a load of works. If you work this project in $5, I am sure that you will get like 100 jobs in a month from us. Okay, so they are all fake promises. Don't try to get into that. If they value your work that much, they should pay you good in the first job. Now the takeaways from this section is charge high rates to your stubborn and serious clients. Okay, so if you have very serious clients or stubborn clients, you need to charge them very good rates, because you know that in the end they are going to be a lot of problem and they are going to bother you a lot. Now the solution to late paying clients is that sometimes when they have some emergency task or very urgent task to do, and they give you that we want this website urgently, my website is down, please fix something, I'm losing clients, I'm losing money. Okay, so now at that moment or time, this is your prime time, this is your time to attack that client and get the payback. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to bill them really high, and you need 100% payment before doing that task. Okay, so email them that I want $100 right now because I need to give it to the hosting company to put your website back on, and they will pay you instantly. Okay, so why I am emphasizing it is that it happens with me few times, and I had few clients that were like that. They really don't pay me for like 1 or 2 years, and when they had a very urgent task and their website went down, I got all the payment from the previous year and the next one. Okay, so this is how you tackle all these types of clients, and be aware of their nature and their type and select your clients wisely. Let me show you some examples of clients from Upwork.com. When you open a job application, like I have opened up this job application. Okay, now on the right side you can see here's the information about the client. You can see he is verified client, verified payment, and he has 34 reviews and his review is 4.22, almost okay. He's from United States. This is his local time right now. He might be sleeping. And he has hired this much, how much he has spent over here, and this is how much average rate he has paid up till now. So he normally hires very low rate freelancers, and this is how I am going to judge him from here. Okay, now let me show you a few other examples. You can see this is the client. He is verified. He is a new client. He has no review, 0 review. He's from United Arab Emirates, Dubai. This is the time. He has posted these much jobs, and this is how much his hiring rate is. He's a new one and he needs a expert level professional over here. Okay, now let's see another one. Okay, this is a very good client. He has 36 ratings. He has a platinum tier. He has one of the top clients on Upwork. He's from United States, Angel Camp, and job posted. He has a very good experience. You can see from his this description over here, he has a very detailed job description that shows that he is very experienced. Also, his hiring is around $10 per hour average, and you can see other jobs posted by him over here. You can see over here, jobs in progress, clients work history. These are the rates he has paid. You can see 10 hours at 25 per hour. So looking at these figures, you can decide or guess that this client can easily pay me $25 per hour, or he likes to pay like $10, or maybe I should hit him like 15 or 12 or 13 in the middle ground to get it hired on this job. So this is how you assess your clients. You can see over here, this client has not verified his payment method. So I am going to avoid it till the time he has some payment method verified over here. Also, he has not hired anyone over here, and he has 6 open jobs, and entry level, he's asking for entry level freelancers. So this is all about different type of clients and how you are going to look for their information on freelance websites. So always look for what the client is and why they are hiring you and how experienced he is or she is. So this is all about clients and types of clients. If you have any questions, ask me. Let's move on to the next lesson.